In the first paragraph, what is the meaning of complex? So we're looking in the first paragraph and we're looking for the word complex. Does it mean simple, humble, difficult, or complicated? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to paragraph number 1, which is right here. I'm going to read around. It says, look around. Light is all around you. Light comes from the sun outside your window and the electric lights that make the room bright. At first glance, light seems pretty simple. However, light is more complex than it seems, and there are many ways humans can use it. So whenever I'm saying that, I see a certain context clue that we've learned about. I see an antonym. So the word that we're looking for is complex. And it says right here, at first glance, light seems pretty simple. However, which clues us that we're going to give an opposite, light is more complex than it seems, and there are many ways humans can use it. So the opposite of complex is simple. So at first glance, light seems pretty simple. However, light is more complex than it seems. So it's not as simple as it seems. It's more complex. So complex is the opposite of simple. So whenever I come back, I'm going to look for a word that means the opposite of simple. So I'm going to eliminate simple. It doesn't mean simple because it said the word however. And however signals that we're going to give an opposite or tell us something that contrasts with it. Humble doesn't really make sense. And then I'm left with difficult or complicated. So we have to figure out if complex means difficult or if complex means complicated. So if I flip back over, it says, at first glance, light seems pretty simple. However, light is more difficult than it seems, and there are many ways humans can use it. Or light is more complicated than it seems, and there are many ways humans can use it. So if we look at it that way, the correct word would be complicated. And the reason why is because difficult means hard. And it's not necessarily saying that light is hard. It's saying that light is complicated, meaning it has a lot of stuff going on. It has a lot of parts. So complex means complicated.